One thing I always say is work smarter, not harder. If you aren't using the Solo app, then you may be working harder. So let's change that. Download the app, link your accounts where you can manage your income, track your expenses, and project your taxes. Not only that, but you can plan by optimizing your time, make more, and even guarantee your daily pay with guaranteed earnings. Download Solo and begin to work smarter, not harder today. Link is in the description. All right, let's get back to it.
Let's talk about, is Uber hiding multi-stop requests on the ping screen now?
Okay, so pay attention to this one now, guys. So, and he had to cancel this trip. This is in LA from West Hollywood to LAX. The ping comes in. That's his ping screen. So first of all, I love all my drivers, all my drivers who take screenshots of everything. Please, newbie, old, veteran, even if you're not going to use it, take screenshots of everything, the ping screen, the receipt, whatever you can take screenshots of. And at the end of the day, go have a beer and start deleting the ones that you don't think it's valid, and the ones that you think it's valid and you see something screwy, you know where to send it. Sergio at therideshareguy.com. So the ping screen, ping comes in. Do you see a stop on the ping screen?
No, not at all.
Long trip.
Yeah, I see you know what I see? I see the Uber XL. I see it saying that Advantage is included. So you got a 25% acceptance rate. Right. But oh wait, no, I'm sorry. This is California, so it doesn't even matter for the acceptance rate. But yeah, I don't see anything there that says stop included.
Okay.
No?
And then look at the one on the right.
And it just says that. And then
there's no stop included, right? And this is happening this happened to this driver 3 times. And he sent me one of those. And the point is, so once you accept the trip, folks, what you can do is you can push the 3 bars on the upper right, and it'll give you the breakdown. That's where you can look at the rating of the passenger if you didn't catch it on the ping screen because it lasts 10, 15 seconds. And he went there, and magically, a stop showed up in the trip history. Now, what I'm assuming, and he said, by the way, do you see the screenshot times, Chris? 6:37 and 6:37. So he immediately took the screenshots. There's no discrepancy, because I could have said there are a lot of riders who are also smart, because if they put it ahead of time, the stop in the trip, a lot of drivers are not picking multi-stop trips, right? So the riders are waking up and saying, okay, once the trip is accepted, then I'll sneak in and add my stop. Well, there's no time almost for this rider to sneak in and add a stop. But then a stop showed up. So this happened to him twice more. He goes, Serge, I think they're hiding the multi-stop trips on the ping screen. Uber, is this another problem? Because this is new. This just showed up this week. I don't know. So if you guys are seeing this, please send me the screenshot. Sergio at therideshareguy.com.
Yeah. And I mean, even on the map, it doesn't show a stop anywhere. So it's not even like it's there. I mean, essentially, it's just showing a pickup and drop off. But yeah, not even a full minute has passed. So even if it came in at 6:37:01 on the screen, and then 6:37:59 and 59 seconds literally passed by between these 2 screenshots, the chance of a rider actually completing that when it comes down to it is difficult. And that's what I was thinking at first. Well, maybe they added it after they actually ordered the ride. That
they probably did, yeah.
And it's possible that in this case that happened.
Not probable.
But, unlikely, only because of the time. Because you definitely got to take a few clicks and things to be able to add that stop. So it might take quite a bit of time, but in a minute, it's unlikely. So if you're noticing that. And then the other thing you could ask, I mean, worst case, ask the passenger, say, hey, when you put the trip in, it's showing multiple stop. Did you put that in because Uber used to show that it was a multi-stop trip, letting us know so we can prepare in advance. In other words, that means not take it. If you don't want to take that is. And then, you could just ask them that way. Obviously be nice about it and see, and never blame them for it. Just ask them outright and say, yeah, Uber used to show this, kind of let us know what's going on. And, I noticed you have a stop or a couple of stops and it didn't alert me. So, I'm just trying to figure out if Uber is trying to pull a fast one on us.
Well, we gotta look out for everything, which we shouldn't be, actually. This is pretty simple. But I do understand riders are smart, getting smart, but like you said, it's possible, but you have to click edit. You have to get the address out. You have to put it in there. And then what happens is that when there's a change of drop-off, Chris, or when there's a stop added, there's a ping that happens. The sound comes through saying that rider added a stop or rider changed destination or whatever, right? It didn't happen in this case, and it just showed up when he went to the back screen and he said he had to cancel the trip. He didn't even pick up the passenger because he saw the stop on the trip detail screen. And I don't blame him, because going to LAX with a stop, going to LAX is bad enough in morning rush hour without a stop. With a stop, it's not a good thing. So there you go.
So in either way, what I recommend is, if you notice this, take the screenshots, send it to Sergio at the rideshareguy.com. Let's see if this is becoming a widespread bug or something intentional. All right.
They're hiding multi-stops. Lyft does it also. Well, send it down. Send it to me, Sergio at the rideshareguy.com.
Yep, screenshots are nothing, man. Screenshots are nothing.
All right, thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you get notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.